Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So all the items that you see right now on the screen, I am going to be unboxing and showing you what goodies I've gotten. So the first things I wanted to show you were another odorless monomer and an acrylic powder. These are by the brand CHERI. And I did get these from Skyline Beauty. I will leave the links in the description box below. So, this monomer has a smell. It does not smell like monomer, but it still smells. And it's a slow setting monomer. I've actually played with it a little bit and kind of getting the hang of it. I will come back and give you guys a video, but right now I'm just playing with it. I didn't want to do an initial thoughts video and a follow-up video just because I have a lot of videos to record in the next couple weeks. So I'm gonna play with this for about a week or so and then come back and give you an entire video. So the monomer, again, it does not have a monomer smell, but it does have an odor to it. It doesn't stink up the whole house like monomer does, but so far so good. And then this acrylic powder is in the color Cover Nude Blush, and it is a 1 ounce container. Basically, I'm trying to find the perfect nude for myself. I'm going to swatch it in a couple seconds for you guys. I think this one is just a little bit light. So if anyone knows of any good nude acrylic powders for us brown skin girls, definitely leave that in the comments down below. And I'm not sure why I didn't speed this video up, because I should have already talked through everything I recorded. So let's see, when am I gonna swatch that Cover Nude blush for you? That should be coming up again. Oh, I'm gonna show you the odorless monomer again. So yep, that's the odorless monomer. It comes in 8 ounces and it is slow set. And it doesn't have a monomer smell, but it does have a smell. So now I think this is where I'm gonna show you the acrylic. And again, that color is, what is that color? Nude, Cover Nude Blush. And you can use this as a dipping powder or an acrylic. And it is pretty fine milled, so I do believe you can use it for the dipping powder as well. And like I said, I think this color is just a little bit too light for my skin tone if I wanted to do a nude. So again, definitely if you know of any good nudes for brown skin tone, definitely let me know. It doesn't really matter the brand as long as it's a, as long as it's a good brand. So definitely let me know that. So again, the link for Skyline Beauty Supply will be down below. They have a lot of other products as well. They have some young nails. I think they also have Glam and Glitz. So it's a pretty nice website. So the next thing I wanted to show you was this ModelOne's 90 cat eye gel set. And the cool thing about this is it has instructions to enter yourself for a $50 giveaway or $50 gift on their website. And then, so this kit comes with, of course, the 2 different magnets. It comes with the black gel polish, and I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with ModelOne's gel polishes, but they're pretty opaque, so you probably would just end up putting 1 coat of the gel polish and then putting your 90 cat polish on top. So this set also comes with a base and a top coat as well as a matte top coat, and all of these bottles are 10 milliliter bottles. So you get 2 cat eye gels, and then this is showing as blue on screen, but it's actually more of a purple, and this is showing as more of a purple on screen, but it's actually more of a pink. So you get those 2 colors, the top coat, base coat, matte top coat, and the black gel polish, as well as the magnet, all in one kit. So I will leave the link for that. I got it off Amazon. I will leave the link for that down below. Also, I got these off Amazon. I call them silver cutter things. So essentially, it's if you wanted to do a French or a smile line, you can just use this to cut out the perfect smile line and then just file it up a little bit. So I know there's a lot of people doing the 3D French smile lines right now. So I think this one I'm holding now would be perfect for that. And I'm showing you just how wide these are. So if you do have wider nail beds, this size will fit you. Again, I'll leave the link for that down below. So I also got another Burano polygel kit, and they were having a sale, so that's why I picked this up. That was posted on my Instagram. The thing about this kit is it does come with the bigger tubes, and it does come with a clear, which the deluxe kit did not. So I'm gonna actually do a full video on this kit, but right now I'm just showing you what is inside. So of course you get the instructions, you get the 4 polygels, white, clear, light pink, and dark pink. Again, I will be doing a full video on this kit for you guys. These are all 30 milliliter tubes. You get a base coat, a top coat, and a primer, and those are 7.3 milliliter bottles. The deluxe kit did not come with a primer, so this isn't the exact same as the deluxe kit. You also get the slip solution, which is 2.5 ounces. You get the dual forms, which are the brand that everyone likes, the YLN dual forms, and so those are the ones that everyone loves, and also they're pretty wide. And you guys, your dual forms are reusable. You can just clean them with some alcohol and reuse them if you're doing your own nails. If you're doing it on a client, you probably don't want to reuse them. So the slip solution, again, it's 2.5 ounces, and in the kit you also get a buffer, a 100-180 grit buffer. You also get a 100-180 grit file. You get the picker tool, the picker and the brush, and then you get nail forms. So I will leave the link for this kit down below. Also, make sure you're subscribed and you have on the notifications, because I will be doing a more in-depth review of this kit, which will probably include me doing a full set either on myself or on Bailey. So here's to the stuff. Now I'm going to get into the stuff that I got from Aliexpress. So this first batch of things I got from myyeahbeauty, and this is a really cute little crown brush holder. So I'm going to leave the links for myyeahbeauty down in the description box below. I am not linking each individual thing that I received, just the link to the store. So all of this came from the same store. And so these are nail stickers I got, and they're really silver and gold, and they're holographic. So here they come in, I'm just showing you, you kind of get a lot in here, and they do come in 3 different sizes. So if you wanted to get these instead of the striping tape, they do have those in that store. I'm not sure if they have other colors. And then I got this rhinestone wheel. So these are really pretty. I thought they would be shinier than what they are, but what I'm thinking is they might be cute with a matte look, or maybe if I did the 90 gel I showed you earlier with some of these rhinestones. And what else did I get? I got these art brushes, line detail brushes, and the thing that I liked about it is that it has a groove for your finger to rest in. So that might help with a little bit of your line work. I haven't tried them yet, so more to come on that. And the last thing that I got from the store was a transfer tape, and this is a shell transfer tape. So it picks up on a few colors. You have a lot of colors in here, so you can do a pretty design with that. So that link will be down below. So these items I did get from FLD Official Store, and these are just brushes, and I saw these on, I believe it was Nailed by Cami. I saw this on her video and I wanted to get them. I believe that's the channel I saw them in. But the reason I wanted to get them is for when I'm doing dip. These brushes are a little bit firmer, so after the dip powder dries, I feel like I can get more of that loose dip powder off. So that's why I got these. I didn't know which angle brush would work best, so that's why I got the one at the slant, the round, and then the flat. So I'll figure out which one works best, and you might see it in an upcoming video. So those 3 brushes I did get from FLD Official Store. They have a bunch of different colors, and I think they have different designs, not just the fish tail. That link will be down below. So the next thing that I got was, waiting for the video to load. I didn't speed this up enough. What did I get? What am I showing you guys next? Clearly I'm doing a voiceover and not recording this live, because if I was recording it live, then I would already know what I'm doing next. Oh, these are nail forms. So these are the nail forms that I mostly use. I got them from Line, I don't know, Ablinsite Store, whatever. Link will be in the description box. But I use these a lot, and I like them because they're not too thick. They're perfect thickness. They're sticky. They're long, so if you want to do an extremely long sculpted nail, you could. And then it has a line down the middle, which helps me with my shaping and my placement of the form. Also, they are easy to cut if you have like the extended what is it called, hyponychium underneath your nails. So they are easy to cut as well. These nail polishes I got from the Vanillisa Official Store. Link will be down below. Actually, no, that was from Canny V5 store. Link will be down below. And so I got them in orange is 907, that gray is 912, the pink is 923, the red is 926, and that burgundy is 929. I will be featuring those in an upcoming video. It might be a swatch video or it may be a design video. I haven't decided yet. These silk off caps, don't remember where I got them from. They were just in my box of stuff, and they've been sitting there for a while, so I was like, hey, let me just throw these in the video. Yep, if you want to soak off your nails, you can get these. Probably actually in one of the stores I've already linked. I think I might have gotten these in the Born Pretty store. I'm really not sure. And also, I'm not sure where I got these nail tips from either. So I was looking for nail tips for my flexi hand that went from sidewall to sidewall. I did find some by ModelOnes. So you would just look for the ModelOne short cover tips. I did feature them in another haul video. I got that idea from Nailed by Nikki. So if you can't find the link in one of my videos, go to her page and look for the link. So the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is some more color poly gel that I got from Saviland Official Store. The link will be in the description box. So I'm going to feature this in another video, but I also got the rubber base and top coat. I have not used these before. The only thing that I was kind of concerned about is that they didn't come with a brush. It is sealed, but there's not a brush in there. So I'll probably just use one of my gel brushes I got from one of my acrylic brushes that I use for gel that I got from Michael's. So let me know what you guys want to see first. Do you want to see the Burano? Do you want to see the Saviland? Do you want to see the Vanillisa? Do you want another odorless monomer acrylic video? Let me know what you guys want next. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I really appreciate you spending your time with me.